Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the remove image background with this site. So by the way, this is free to use, and this is for someone who's constantly building their graphics with their bonus pages, or it could be your website designs, and it could be anything related to graphic designing. And so this is very easy to use, and then I'm going to be showing you how I was able to remove one of my pictures here. As you can see, so it's got the white background. It doesn't have the background image of my picture here. So what we're gonna do first is to go into this website, remove.bg, and then it's going to show you this main screen here. And what you need to do is you can sign up. It's free to sign up, but for the purposes of this training, you can actually go ahead and hit upload image. And the next is to find a picture that you want to get rid of the background. So as you can see here, I have some pictures that's got the image background here, and let's try and see if we can do this really quick. Let's try this image here, and what you need to do next is hit open, and it's automatically gonna delete the background image of your photo, as you can see here. So the background tiles is letting you know that it erased the background of my picture. And then what you need to do next is you can hit download to save the picture. It's going to show up over here under the downloads option, but if you're using Google Chrome, it's going to be something different. But I normally use the Internet Explorer because I like it, it's convenient. And then after that, then you can actually hit the open file, and this is your way of saving this picture. And just so you know, it's only going to save the 433 by 577 file. But if you want the high definition full image, you're probably going to have to sign up for free. But then for the next picture that you want to take off the background, you're going to have to pay for the service in order to keep using this program, in order for you to download the full image of this large file. But if you're just using it for graphics that are very small for your image needs, such as the YouTube thumbnails, could be a Facebook post, Instagram post, or so much more, then you might as well stick with the free option for this. But other than that, if you're into making large graphics like banners, posters, and so much more, then you're gonna have to sign up for this account and pay for the subscription fee here. And I believe you can see here, see how much that they charge you for. And if you upload one picture, they're gonna give you 1 credit. For the next one, you're gonna have to pay for it. So I've never actually purchased it before, but I'm just trying to see how much, in case you're interested in upgrading this plan. So as you can see here, these are the subscription plan for removing your background image. So they're gonna give you credits. So each credit per month, you're gonna be charged with this price, and I would stick to 40 credits a month if you're just doing it half-time for your graphic designing for your website or your social media. But you might as well stick with the free ones if you don't need to create a bigger images or a bigger resolution. So I always stick to free ones because I don't really need to get the subscription plan. It just works out for me to create all my bonuses, as you can see here. Never bought any credits before, but this is how you remove the background image. And then as you can see here, back to this background image here, you can actually hit edit, and you can do some options here where you can blur the background. You can click on that. So as you can see, you can have that option as well. And also you can add some very cool images on the background. As you can see here, change whatever background that you want for this image. and there is a ton of selections that you can choose from here as well. So if you can choose that one, green background, or this background here for fall, it's really nice to look at. They look really professional as is. And so that's one of the other option for you to add the background for this site. And also you can add colors. You can change colors the way you want. You can change it to orange, whatever they offer here as well. So you can add white. I usually do the transparent one for my graphics, graphic boxes, graphic tools, graphic logos, and so much more. I've never used the background colors, but I think it's pretty nice if you want to add color to your background. Really nice effect. This is actually nice effect if you want to add some blur, just to have that nice definition in the background. And then if you want to click over here under erase or restore, you can actually, if you notice anything that's not erasing on the background, you can use this tool. You can adjust the brush size over here. As you can see the circle, then you can hover the mouse, and then if you want to delete a certain background that wasn't get deleted before, then you can use this brush tool in order to brush off some of the excess stuff that wasn't able to delete on the background. And here is the restore if you want to restore the original image. And that's pretty much it. So once you're done, if you like how your picture looks like, then you can hit download in order for you to save the image that you like. Download image here, or you can share your image over here. And so that's how you use to remove the background image for this site. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description of this video. It's very easy to use and it's free to use, so you can actually use this for your making graphics for your bonus page or for your websites that you wanna put your picture there without a background, because having a background can be a distraction for your website here. So I'm gonna show you a sample of one of the bonus pages that I have without a background. Okay, just give me one sec here. Let me retrieve my calendar. I'm gonna show you one of my bonus pages. It looks really nice, and I think you're gonna have to see this in order for you to understand what I do with the background image. Okay, here, bear with me here. Okay, this is my current one that I'm doing right now. I'm doing a promotion for Profit Mayhem, so you guys should check that out if you want. Okay, so as you can see here, see the difference? Like, it doesn't have the background. It looks very nice and professional, and it looks realistic on your page. Okay, and then as you can see here, the logos, I got rid of that using the background image. And then just like that, but except for this one, like, see here, like, it blended on the white background. So I got rid of my background image because the original image looked like this. See, I wish I have the original pictures I can show you, but the original picture has a background. So yes, so if you want to make your website or your bonus pages look professional without the background image, so it's gonna look professional and it's gonna look floating on your site, use this website. It's free to use. You don't have to actually sign up for an account. I sign up for my account because I constantly use this, and it's free anyway. And so this is what I normally use for my graphic designing tool to remove the background. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.